Hey guys, it's me Ella. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be preparing for summer. So I'm just going to be bringing you guys along for all the steps that it takes to prepare for summer. And this isn't like a necessity or anything, it's just for fun to kind of get me excited for summer. It's my first week on summer break, so I want to make sure that I make the most out of this summer. And hopefully doing these things will help me achieve that goal. And I just thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me for the next few days while I get ready for summer. So I guess we should just get started. Something that is so fun for summer that you've probably seen if you've watched videos similar to this is making a vision board. So I thought that I would do exactly that. And I'm actually going to create a real life vision board instead of just a collage, because I just thought that would be more fun and you're seeing it physically, so just for the manifestation things, but also because it's just a fun craft to do and I'm a bit crafty myself, so I thought that this would be fun. So I printed out a bunch of pictures from my Pinterest, just looking up some summer inspiration and fun things like that, and I printed out my favorite pictures that I found. So I've got all my printed out pictures and then a big piece of paper that I'm going to glue them all to, and then my tape. Before I do anything, I want to lay my pictures out just to kind of get an idea of where I want to put everything. So now that I've got it all arranged how I'd like, I'm just going to tape them all down. Okay, so I've finished my little vision board and I thought I would show it off to you guys. So first we have this little picture of this girl holding a camera, which means like a few things: to make more YouTube videos and make vlogs, and also take pictures of me and my friends whenever we're doing something fun. And then just some cute ice cream cones, some nature, because I want to spend a lot of time outside. And this is camping because I'm going to go camping. The beach, hammocks, another beach one. This one is like representing friends, doing stuff with friends, and also taking pictures. This one, they just look like they're having fun, and I kind of want to do that. Night drives. Just another like naturey one, and then this one's Starbucks because I just thought it looked cute. So I think this is very cute, but then I didn't stop there. I put some things on the back. So right here we have my summer bucket list. So I'm just going to quickly list off some of the things, not all of them, but I've got things like sunset at the beach, bike rides, hiking, boating, picnics, going downtown, going to a flea market, having brunch, having beach days, farmers market, drive-in theater, all of those fun summer activities. And then I also want to include some goals that I have for myself. Nothing too crazy because summer is supposed to be for fun, but just to like keep me motivated to do things. I've just got things like vlog more, work on my channel and my socials, move my body, which means no like too much emphasis on like exercise, but just make sure that I'm moving my body and being active instead of just laying on the couch all day. And that's it. So I thought that this was just really cute. I added this adorable little tape to hold it on. So I definitely recommend making one of these, not only because it's fun to put a little craft together, but also you've got all of your summer right on this one thing, and then you can either hang it up or just like leave it somewhere where you can look at it a lot, just to remind you to do some fun things and make the most of your summer. Here is the finished look, just a simple everyday routine. Some of my favorite products for summer, basically just all the ones that I just used. So first is the Glow Screen by Supergoop, and it has SPF 40, which is pretty good for an average day. Of course, if I'm like going to the beach or something, or I'm gonna be outside a lot, I'll use more, but it gives you a good like glow that isn't like greasy looking, if you know what I mean. It's just very shimmery and not too noticeable. Just gives me a good base. And then I've been using this e.l.f. blush that's like shimmery. It's like a blush highlighter. So I just put that like right up here, and it makes me look like a little bit sunburnt, but like just like I've been out in the sun, but then it gives me a glow. If you haven't noticed, I'm very into some glowy makeup. So to top it all off, I will use this Milk Makeup highlighting stick, and it's like kind of a bronzy color. And what I love about all of these is that I can use my fingers for all of them and just rub them in. So that means I can do it super fast, and it's really easy, and I don't need any extra steps. And then of course for mascara is the L'Oreal Telescopic. This works amazing for me, and I do feel like it's fairly natural while still being able to tell a difference. I just set my eyebrows with some eyebrow gel. Then lastly, just a little bit of tinted lip balm on the lips, just to give myself some more color, because it just kind of brings it all together, and I just really like how it looks. And that was super easy. It took me like 5 minutes, which is perfect because I don't want to have to take too much time out of my day. One thing that I'm going to practice this summer is making my own drinks so I don't waste my money at Starbucks and Dunkin'. So I've been practicing making drinks a lot because I got that espresso maker not too long ago, so I'm still trying to figure out how to make good drinks. But sometimes I've gotten really close to making it taste like Starbucks, so I think that I'll be pretty good at making coffee by the end of the summer. The next thing that I want to do is clean my room because it is a disaster, and I just feel like having a clean space will be a good fresh start to this summer. While I clean, I'm definitely going to be listening to Harry's House because I am so obsessed with that album. It's just perfect for summer. I have it on repeat constantly because I just love it so much. So I think I'll do a little time lapse of this. When I was cleaning my room, I went through my closet and I found some pieces that I no longer wore and just were not like necessary for me anymore. So I decided that I'm going to be selling them on my Depop. I realized I had a lot of cute shirts that were really nice and also some nice pants and stuff that were really nice clothes, but I never ever wear them. So I thought that it would be nice if I put them up on my Depop, so you guys can go ahead and purchase them if you want. And I'm not going to be selling them for crazy amounts of money, but just some items like these that I realized I just don't wear as much as I should. I'd rather just get a little money for them to buy something else. So I've got a few pairs of pants, and I've got some exercise shirts as well, some Brandy Melville, all the fun stuff. So I'm gonna have that linked down below if you want to check it out. But I definitely recommend doing this to get ready for summer, just to clear out your closet. And if you don't have to sell your clothes, you can just donate them. I donated a lot of my clothes and also took some to Plato's Closet, but these were the like nicer ones and some with tags, so I decided to try and sell them on my Depop. But it's good to do this so that your closet is not overflowing with clothes that you don't wear in the summer, so it'll be much easier to pick out outfits, and you can also make some space to buy some new clothes, which is always fun. So I'm just outside right now, trying to catch some sun, get a little bit of a tan, and also just enjoy the weather because it's really beautiful outside. I think I'm going to end this video here. I did lots of things to get ready, and now it's definitely starting to feel like summer. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you're most looking forward to doing this summer. And of course, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be making so many good videos this summer that you won't want to miss. But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!